What's up, ladies and gentlemen, back at home, Tumelo once again, aka Lyric Mills. Now, if I can remember back, the first song or the first lyric I ever wrote was when I was 14 years old in 2004. And from there on, I never turned back. And today I want to share a song with you called Spring. It talks about nature, compares it to a woman and love, and it's all a metaphor within one song. And I hope you pay close attention and later make sure you cast your vote, because that's the only thing that matters. And I'm doing this for y'all. I mean, I'm doing it for me, but I'm also doing it for you. So at the end of the day, if you vote and get me through, I'll only give you better and better music. Second edition, here we go. There's the summertime jam. Clap your hands if you can. What? Good morning, hey young world. It's the big boy Mills, just stepped out the condo. Coming with the chills, still be warm real pronto. Dudes been under the shell, the realm of winter hell. But I just met this young girl, nice sweet little thing. Caramel skin, make you wanna eat the whole thing. And right now that's where I'm headed. Great weather for some baby, making no pressure. As I watch the pretty girls in the street smoking reeds, passing by, looking like they got pounds on. And just shrug a couple pounds off, getting ready for the summer. Fly girls on fast lanes and road runners. Player habits die hard. I'm the rebel, so the boy play smart. The spring just sprung, indeed they gotta be as I see my I think she must spring. No, how about my summertime? No, wait, not my window. Maybe my honor than I think she must spring. Yeah, I think you must spring. No, how about my summertime? No, wait, not my window. Maybe my honor than I think you must spring. My beautiful, your face to bring comfort to men in despair. You blissful, Takuna Lu, my masterpiece says you. My sun ray showers, nature's pride. Body kid like samurai, curve stole like ninja. Must of this art on my mother or die. I'll give you what you need as you receive. I devour your fruits and God gives as you move. You know, stash you like no grace to the hang. Do you ride? Be so but tight. Got me crisscross like tonight's the night. Breathe your breath, take it like the city lights when I'm between your thighs. We start without like the Vegas brides when I roll the dice. Jake Paul like I hit the sport, Mr. Reverend, when I shed the light from the heavens. The sunrise of those who have been lost, you are. I know you must spring. No, how about my summertime? No, wait, not my window. Maybe my honor than all. I know you must spring. Yeah, I know she must spring. No, how about my summertime? No, wait, no, my window. Maybe my honor than all. I know you must spring.